As you all know by now, we are going to continue our courses, but in an online fashion. We'll begin that the week of March 30th, and we'll start doing all of the course online. For lectures, I'll have short online videos with specific topics. Those will be, first of all, just explaining the different topics, and then there'll be a complementary video that shows you how to attack problems if there are associated problems with them. Next, we'll also be doing office hours online. I'll have two types of office hours. There'll be a group office hour and an individual office hours. To try to keep some level of normality, I'm hoping to have the online office hours for the group at the same time as our classes were set to meet. So for example, for our Chemistry 2330, that would be Mondays and Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then we're going to reserve Thursdays, Fridays, and about that. As far as homework goes, since they are already online through Sapling, there will be no major changes to that other than possibly changing the due dates based on when we get to the topics in the lecture. There's a slight compression of our schedule to meet our end goal of closing in the middle of May. So there may be some topics that are decreased in the lecture portion, but the remaining topics will be fully associated with the Sapling learning. So there might be some changes in due dates for that, but nothing else will change as far as homework is regarded. My current proposal for office hours is to have them held online in two different formats. A group format, which will typically be held at the scheduled period of the class time. For example, if you're on the Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, we'll have a Zoom meeting set up for Mondays and Wednesdays at our specific class time, leaving Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays for individual office hours that will also meet either online or as Zoom meetings. Quizzing will also be moved online. So I've learned that we can have a quiz mode set up in Sapling Learning. So if you already have your Sapling Learning, you will be able to access your quizzes. Quizzes will be held on Fridays and will be open book, open notes. So on Fridays, you will be given a login to allow you to log in sometime Friday. You will have 15 minutes to complete and submit the quiz. Note, because these are open book, open notes, I would still advise you to study as if they weren't open book and open notes, so you'll be able to complete the quiz in the allotted amount of time. Our final exams will also be administered on Sapling. Each class will be assigned during your scheduled final period, either the day and or hour that it was available to you. Students will have a 2-hour window to complete the exam. It will be open book and open notes, but keep in mind you should study for the exam as if you were taking it without open notes to make sure that you have enough time to complete the exam during that window.